Hello friends, good evening everyone.
Good evening.
I am Ankit Swami in front of you, and today I am presenting my topic education. So friends, what do you think, what is education? I think education is to get knowledge about anything. We are getting educated from childhood, from our parents. That's why our parents called Pratham Guru of a child, because they gave us the knowledge of everything from the start. After that we go to school and college for get education. There we got the education about the books and and behavior and morals. Along with this, we are also getting knowledge from our society, family members and relatives. And there, from there we got the, how to become a responsible family member as well as a responsible citizen. Friends, students are not studying well because they thought that degree is everything. But my friends, this degree is not everything. You should have the degree, and as well as the old time students had to go to gurukuls to get knowledge from the Maharshi. Maharshi taught them the knowledge of books as well as our holy books, and they also enhance the talent of any student. After that, the Britishers come and they put the concept of convent schools. After that, the education went in a different direction because they started to prefer the bookish knowledge in place of the polytechnic or the polytechnic knowledge or the vocational knowledge. After that, the vocational knowledge and practical knowledge is getting dumped. In today's generation, education is only bookish, as well as students are not studying because at this time education is like a poultry farm, and the students are like a chicken for the school administration, and students gives the egg like money to school administration, and then administration gives the grain like degree to students, and that's why the students and administration both are happy because they both don't have to work anything and getting everything. But my dear friends, it should not be done because we are spoiling ourselves, our future. If we are not studying well, we will not get a better future. Institutes plays a game with us. They taught us, and after that they put a lollipop. They gave us a lollipop of government jobs. My friends, do you know how many youths in India?
Once repeat your question again.
Do you know how many youths in India?
Yes, I think 70% population youth in India.
Yeah, you are right. But who wants the job? Who wants the job? There are 229 million youths in India over the 1.40 billion population. Who wants to get the job? So friends, if you all want the government job, then how will government manage 229 million government jobs? So it's not necessary that you have to get the government job by your education, because so that's why you should focus on your vocational. There is no sufficient government jobs. So on the conclusion, I am only saying that you should study well and focus on your other skills as well as the bookish knowledge. Thank you, friends.
Very good. Would you like to ask any question? Anybody of you ask question about the education? Are you happy or are you satisfied with the education system of India?
No sir, I am not happy with the education system of India because they are only focusing on the bookish knowledge, not only the vocational or polytechnic knowledge.
Can India's education system make anybody independent or self-skilled that can find a job easily anywhere?
No sir, at this time I don't think that India's education system is making anyone self-responsible, but some students do this by itself. Otherwise the education system is not in.
Which type of changes you expect in our education system?
So I expect that the education system should have the practical classes of anything, and from the childhood they should enhance their talent by the students.
Teacher of any person.
As I mentioned in my topic that everybody's first teacher means Pratham Guru is their parents. Anyone?
Anybody of you ask any question? What is your suggestion to them? I think you have already given the suggestion.
Yeah.
But once again repeat the same.
I am suggesting you that you should study bookish knowledge, but as well as you have to focus on your vocational and your practical knowledge of everything. It's my suggestion.
Okay. What are the challenges before the student this time?
There are many challenges before the students at this time. Like most of the classes are going through online. At this time, many of the sufficient equipment to join a online class. So, and many other students who doesn't afford the books and any other things that need in studying. So, this type of challenges students have.
Okay. Thank you very much, Mr. Venkat. You have spoken well today.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, class.